scientists probably decided that we have enough random names in biology, like proteins sonic hedgehog and Pikachurin, which are both real, seriously. So, thankfully for us, they went with more intuitive names in this case. Most hypothalamic tropic hormones use the convention something releasing hormone, with something often referring to the next hormone in its endocrine pathway. And the next hormone in our relay race is typically an anterior pituitary hormone that uses the naming convention something stimulating hormone, where something refers to the next and usually final hormone in its endocrine pathway. The first hypothalamic hormone on our list is gonadotropin-releasing hormone, GnRH for short. GnRH tells the anterior pituitary to secrete luteinizing hormone, or LH, and follicle-stimulating hormone, or FSH. LH and FSH are themselves tropic hormones, hence the tropin in GnRH, that play roles in reproductive development and growth. In biological females, LH stimulates estrogen production from the ovaries, while FSH promotes the maturation of ovarian follicles. Luteum means yellow in Latin, which refers to the yellow appearance of the corpus luteum, a hormone-secreting reproductive structure that develops in the ovaries after ovulation. If you remember this, then you can draw the connection between luteinizing hormone, which increases the production of reproductive hormones, and follicle-stimulating hormone, which stimulates ovarian follicle growth in biological females. As you can imagine, these hormones work a bit differently in biological males, where LH stimulates Leydig cells in the testes to release testosterone, and FSH promotes spermatogenesis by interacting with membrane-bound receptors in Sertoli cells. FSH also plays a crucial role in the determination of the number of Sertoli cells, and thus their capacity to maintain spermatogenesis. One useful way to remember hormones and the cells that they act upon is by looking at the letters in their acronyms. LH starts with the letter L and acts on Leydig cells, which also begins with the letter L. And FSH contains the letter S in the acronym, which is also the first letter of Sertoli cells. The next tropic hormone secreted by the hypothalamus is the thyrotropin-releasing hormone, or TRH. TRH tells the anterior pituitary to release the thyroid-stimulating hormone, or TSH, which then acts on the thyroid gland. The thyroid gland, anterior pituitary gland, and hypothalamus comprise a self-regulatory circuit called the hypothalamic pituitary thyroid axis. The main hormones produced by the thyroid gland are triiodothyronine, T3, and thyroxine, or tetraiodothyronine, T4, which regulate metabolic rate and thermogenesis. Corticotropin-releasing hormone, CRH, is the third major hypothalamic hormone. When CRH acts on the anterior pituitary, adrenocorticotropic hormone, or ACTH, is released. ACTH then travels to the adrenal gland, specifically the adrenal cortex, where it kickstarts the production of glucocorticoids, which are hormones involved in the stress response.